Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have another haul. I'm going to save this one for last because I think it's the doll for an upcoming collab that are the same, and yet they're going to be so different. I think, has to be, because we ordered it right after. I saw Deb on Deb's Dolls open a pattern book, and in her comments everybody was going on about what a great book it is. If you don't watch Deb's Doll Room, you should. Deb she has a lot of celebrity dolls and a lot of historical people dolls, and she usually shows them on their birthdays and tells all about them. It's really a fun channel. She does other things too. Actually, she does quite a bit. But that's how I got pulled into her channel, was her historical and celebrity dolls. Wow, this is really wrapped. I went on eBay after I saw Deb's Dolls, and I ordered this book. And then Darren came in and said, what I did is I went and looked, and they had, 14-inch Blythe. That's what I'm hoping. Okay, I thought that was a collar. It's a hat brim. Anyway, I went on eBay. Oh, shoes. And I left a make offer on this book, and they came back. Well, Darren had found one a little cheaper, and he said, you know what? See, I can't hold this book to the window very easily and draw around, and I don't like cutting patterns out of books. So we got one so that I could cut the patterns, and this one leaving as is. I'm very pleased about that. This one is in excellent shape. Oh, look. Bloomers, knickers, whatever. That says knickers, but bloomers. What I'm looking for, I'll bet that might work for my chubby Blythe. I'm trying to work on some clothing, work out some clothing for her. Boy, that'd be cute. And this is what I'm hoping will help. Okay, and then another AliExpress came. And I think it's packages in packages. Yep. And there's a doll in here. All these Blythe dolls I'm buying have a purpose. Either a collab, or I just want them, or for sale, or gifts. I have a lot of Blythe gifts coming up that I've been ordering, which is exciting. Oh, I need more of this. I looked and looked and looked and looked at this before I finally bought it. It's a little bit more expensive than I wanted to spend, and I wasn't sure on the size of the print. But how whimsical is that? Oh my God, that is so cute. Adorkable. Leave that out. I hope all of my fabrics came. I've been waiting and waiting. I bought more of the Wednesday Addams doll. Yeah, this is it. Fabrics because, well, I love, did I cut that? Probably. I really like this fabric, and I have so many ideas for it, and I seem to be using it up. And it's funny because this one is the more gray color and more clearly marked. I like that. I like that a lot. Love this fabric. All right, this should be, oh, there's more here. But wait! There's more. Oh, I want to be careful here because I'm not quite sure what I got. And I'm expecting fabric. I have been sewing, I haven't sewed this much in 20 years, I don't think. I sew about every day, and I sew from about 6:30 to at least noon. Oh, that's not what I wanted. That is not what I thought I was getting. I'm going to go back and check that. I thought I had bought this fabric before like this, and I thought that's what this is. Very disappointed on that. This feels like fabric. Let me open so carefully. If I cut the bag, I don't mind, because I usually put my fabrics in Ziploc. I do that so they don't pick up smells or fall on the floor and get dirty. We have dogs and cats and kittens and... Okay, these are my new bags, my new sales bags, or gift bags. happy, happy, happy to see that. Now I'm confused. Which box was which? I think this was the second one I wanted to order. But won't I be surprised if not? All right, let's see if I can carefully do this, because you know how light-handed I am. Here we go. Here we go. Yep. I have, tomorrow, if I get my sewing caught up, we call it cracking heads around here, when I'm getting ready to do a face-up on a Blythe doll. And I'm cracking heads in 3 sizes, and yes, it's her. Oh, it is her. So cute. Let's check eyes, and I got hands. On the other one, I didn't think I was getting hands, so I was don't cut that hair. Very happy to see them. Like I said, this is for a upcoming collab that I'm looking very forward to and hoping to get started on later this week. Well, actually, I am started on, but I mean the doll. All right. Yep, looks like everything is fine. I will check her joints. Oh, gosh, she's cute. Mine is going to be named Clara. Already named the sweet face. I hope it's sweet by the time I get done with it. You know, that's a little scary sometimes. All right, so then this should be a doll for a gift. Here we go. Where is she? Yep. Oh, pretty dolls. Oh, and that one's got a more of a translucent face, which is very good for what I'm doing. Beautiful hair, beautiful dolls. All right. The hair is very thick, thicker than a lot of humans, but not like it was for a while. For a while it was like, I don't know, I want to say double dosed. All right, let's check hair. Oh, she's really cute. I want those brown eyes. Of course, I'll probably switch them out, but love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. I've got 3 customizations for me with this kind of doll. And then I've got to get a couple ready for the Dolly meetup, which seems like a long way away, but it's not. Not when you have so much to do. Okay, it's story time. This is how good my husband is to me. We're in Walmart. I'm really, I know I'm buying a lot of Blythe, but they really do have a purpose. Really been trying not to buy dolls, doing really good, but Walmart had the junior highs on clearance. And I don't have this one in the box. I only have 3. I'm still looking for the other 2. They were $13. I gave her, we call it give it a ride. That is, we put stuff in our cart. Sometimes we're not positive we're gonna buy it, but we don't wanna put it back and let somebody else get it. And I gave her a ride, and I got to the checkout, and I thought, I'm not gonna spend another $13 on Rainbow High. I love Rainbow High, but I've got a ton of Rainbow High. But she was on sale, and I really liked her. But I took her out of the cart, and I laid it down on the soda thing, and I thought, I'm not going to get it. So I'm checking out, and Darren's like, well, where's your doll? And I'm like, I decided not to get it. And he's like, you get the doll. And I'm like, no, I really am trying to cut back. So we checked everything out. Darren left the cart, went over, got the doll, went through the check, actually walked down to the self-checkout, and bought me the doll. So thank you for that. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Stay tuned to see what kind of collabs and face-ups and outfits and how this works out and when the next one of those come. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.